Hi, this is Jim Wyckoff with your weekly 5M Publishing Grain Market Outlook. Starting out on Monday with some short covering following recent selling pressure. It appears the commodity fund traders may be looking to reestablish some long positions after the recent downside price action, and because it's the first of the year, looking to maybe rebalance their portfolio a little bit with more on the long side in raw commodities, including the grains. Now, specifically for the corn market, we did see a USDA export sale to Mexico Monday morning. That's a positive sign. However, there are still some lingering worries about demand for corn coming from China due to the recent rejection of some U.S. corn purchases due to GMO issues. The soybean market, we're seeing some short covering also. The technical situation in soybeans has deteriorated a bit recently to favor the bearish camp, which is also what corn and wheat are also seeing and have been seeing lately. Also, there are reports of bird flu problems in China, and that could lead to some less demand for soybean meal coming out of China, so we'll have to watch that closely. But right now, we're seeing some short covering price action in the soybean market. Looking at the wheat market, the feature early this week is Arctic air over much of the U.S. that is causing some concern of winter kill for the winter wheat crop. We'll have to see how that develops as the winter plays on. Typically, you don't know what kind of damage winter kill inflicts until a later period. We did have a USDA wheat export sale to unknown destinations Monday morning. That's also prompting some short covering price action. So to start out the week, we're seeing some short covering. If prices in the grains can close this week at or near the weekly highs, that's going to be an early technical clue that these markets have put in a near-term low. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. That's it for this week. Jim Wyckoff reporting.